we are back with a simple word problem that we would like to solve using algebra. A retired apple farmer sent his two granddaughters, Felicia and Marina, to the farmer's market to sell apples. The elder one, Felicia, sold 25 apples. The younger one, Marina, sold only 13 apples. But because they had worked together, Grandpa wanted them to have the same amount of money. So Grandpa asked the older girl to hand over $6 from what she had earned. And Grandpa gave the younger one $3 to equalize their pay. Now the question is, what did each apple sell for? This is a very simple problem, but most of the time you will find that the clue to what your algebraic variable should be is hiding in the question. So in this case, the question is quite straightforward. What did each apple sell for? So we need to introduce an algebraic variable. What is the price of an apple? So let's just say that $A represents the price of an apple. That's the price that these girls sold the apples for, each apple for. And then I also like to draw diagrams or form tables. There's two girls here, Felicia and Marina. So here is Felicia, and here's Marina. So Felicia sold 25 apples. So she would have earned, let's change the color of the ink. Felicia would have earned 25A. Marina sold 13 apples. She would have earned 13A. Now from the 25A, Grandpa asked her to hand back $6. So Felicia's left with 25A minus 6, whereas he gave $3 to Marina. So let's add $3 to her 13A. And now the two girls have the same amount of money. So there's an equality sign. So there you go. You have your one equation in one variable, linear equation. And now we solve this using a very straightforward technique. We bring all the A terms, all the terms involving the unknown, to the left-hand side. And we take everything else to the right-hand side, which is all the constants. And that leaves us with 25A minus 13A equals 6 plus 3. So 12A equals 9, which means A equals 9 over 12, which is 3/4. So the price of each apple is 75 cents. This was, of course, a very simple problem, our first one. In our next example, we are going to look at something more complicated. We will look at two linear equations in two unknowns, another word problem that has an interesting application that I believe you guys will enjoy. So stay tuned for that.